Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So after a long search I bought this one. After a long wait I bought this one, the Lamborghini Countach LP400 by Tomica. So this is, a Lamborghini is my personal favorite, but I didn't have this particular model. So it took a long time for me to get this one. But first of all, find this one and then get this one. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. So I'm really excited to unbox this model, to be very honest. So I'm actually planning to get one more. If you guys know anyone who's selling this, I'm talking about the sealed one, not opened one. Just let me know. I just need one more for my collection. So because I'm keeping one in display like this and one I'm just keeping it in my collection. Maybe in future if I move to a different home or something like that, I'm just planning to display it. Okay, here it is. Wow, Tomica always excites me. Just look at that out of the box. That looks so beautiful, man. I didn't even take it in my hand, but it looks really beautiful. Okay, so let's take it in our hand. Okay, honestly it is not heavy. I was expecting this to be a bit heavy, but it is not. Okay, so out of the box the paint job looks so nice. I don't know if this is dust or some kind of scratch. I think it is a dust. Okay, so the rims looks really nice, and I really love Tomica specifically for everything, but for the scale as well. So they usually mention the exact scale here. This is 1:61, and so you can see the interior here, which is really nice. I really love the color contrast here. They went with red with white. I'm not sure about the actual car, what color scheme they used. I do know there is a red one, and I'm not sure what is the interior of that car. So the details looks really amazing, and you can see the bed shave, right? That looks really beautiful, like a katana. Wow, that is really awesome, man. Okay, you can open this part here. Let me just try. Okay, it is openable this way. Okay, here it is, and it locks in place. It has engine detailing to it. Wow, which is really nice. Let's close this. So the tail light detail here, it is painted. It has exhaust detail here, which is really nice. So the logo placement is always nice. You can see the acrylics here for the headlights, and on top of that it does have pop-up headlights, which I personally love when it comes to Tomicas. Let me just, here it is. Wow, that is absolutely amazing, man. I love pop-up headlights. I really wish that the new generation cars, they actually bring back this. That looks really beautiful. So we do have Diablo, that has pop-up headlights by Tomica, which is there. And I think we did unbox Mazda or something. I don't remember it exactly. We did unbox a Toyota Supra, and there is one more which I unboxed which had pop-up headlights. I need to just check what model that is. Okay, let's do a suspension test. Okay, it doesn't have suspension. I don't want to put more force on this. Let's do a roll test. Again, I am not going to roll Tomica anyways, but just for the sake of doing the test, so that others will actually know. That doesn't roll really well. No. Lot of wheel wobble on both wheels. But this is supposed to be kept in a beautiful display. Honestly, even this display doesn't justify the beauty of Lamborghini or the beauty of Tomica in general. I'm hoping that in future and someday I will get enough money to build something really awesome to keep all these beautiful cars there, just to display it for everyone. This looks really beautiful, man. So if you guys are wondering, the wheels are actually made of plastic, which I personally prefer. The body is fully metal, The chassis is plastic. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.